Alright y'all, so we're in here, we're about to pull this dash out. It's in pretty good shape, but I think we ought to upgrade it. And we already got the glove box out. I'm going to pull the radio and the AC, all of the AC boxes out already, because you know we're redoing everything. And we're going to take this cluster out to get access there. From the videos I've watched, there's 12 bolts that holds it in with 3/8 nuts underneath. So
we're going to try really, really hard not to break anything.
Yeah, I don't want to mess that dash up. Looks like we have 4 bolts.
Only on the top. The bottom has 4 also.
So 4 on the bottom, 4 on the top.
Yep.
Phillips screws.
It was just hand tightened, so.
So you could just start it with a crescent wrench to loosen it, but it was already loose.
These are the clips?
Yep.
I push down?
Yeah, you've got to push them both together.
And wiggle out.
Wiggle it
okay.
out. It's real brittle most of the time, so. And then that'll come right up.
Oh.
Good deal. Yeah, the Dakota Digital replaces this part.
That's
just
okay.
a bezel.
What is this? Oh, that's the lights.
Yep. We're going to put some LED lights in it to make it a little brighter.
Time to clean it up a little bit.
There you can see it's a 3/8 nut, and supposedly there's 6 along the back, or the front of the truck I should say, and then 6 along here that we're going to pull out. It's got a stud here and a stud there, if you like.
Okay. You getting the back ones?
So this is a multi-purpose right here. It's holding the harness, clamp, and the dash at the same time.
Ah.
We cut the radio antenna because it was ganked up, skint up already, so let's see if we can get this off. Come on off. Come on.
There.
It's being a butt.
Yeah, it's kind of hooked in there. Just unscrew it. There you go.
There we go. Coming off. There we go.
Eventually. Ta-da! And then you're going to get this one over here, huh?
Yep.
See, the side I took apart didn't have those.
Oops.
Alright, that's 2 of them. The other one is over the radio.
Alright, let's see if we can get this radio out of here. So don't pull this all the way off. Looks like we got us some surface rust up there.
Probably from the.
Probably because there's no paint on it to start with. Alright, let's see if I got enough room back here. Oh, I gotta take this one off. That is a 3/8 maybe?
You want to try?
I think it's bigger than 3/8. 7/6. Yep.
Ta-da!
Commence.
Removal. This is bringing back memories.
Yeah. So they got this strap on the back strap. And then we can push it backwards just enough
To get it out.
to get it out. And it comes out from the back.
You got it hooked on to something.
We got a plug going on here.
You want to see where it plugs in?
Yeah, it plugs in over here somewhere. Yep. In case you ever want to steal a 1971 radio, that's how you remove it. Stay. Thank you. Let's see.
That one should unplug pretty easily, huh?
Should. You hear Louie back there? He's begging for attention. I can't
Alright, let's see what.
figure this one out.
Hold a moment, please.
Not enough. Oh, here we go.
There you go.
It's one of those.
Just got to pull really hard. Now you got a yellow wire going back there somewhere.
Fuse holder.
Ah.
That's done.
And it's just hanging on by the bracket.
Look at that baby. Mm-hmm.
Alright, so radio's gone. Time to get the speaker out.
Now leave in the comments if anybody's interested. It's for sale.
The speaker, right?
Yeah,
Not the truck.
exactly.
Oh, that didn't sound good.
There's your speaker holder thingy.
Yeah, interesting.
And I think that's all that holds that speaker in place.
Let's see what kind of condition it's in. Wow.
There you go.
That sucker looks brand spanking new.
Not bad.
Look at all the holes. Alright, time to get the rest of these bolts out.
We'll put the screw back. What am I leave the
Watch
bracket
your
out?
eyes. Look, it's the factory one.
Yeah. Sure is.
Ford.
51 years old.
That looked that bad too.
I need that.
Mhm. You should have the one that's over the
This one right here.
These are the 6 in the front that you're working on.
Yep. That one was tight. It's steel tight.
Yeah, a lot of them I had to keep using the wrench. It wouldn't come off with my finger.
Golly, this joker is being difficult. And we're off.
Finally. Okay, so we got all the ones in the back unscrewed. You can see those. Those are relatively easy. These are going to be a little bit more difficult because we have to go and get all of these right here in this little line. So that might take some time. Alright, okay. Now, let's get to this one first. Oh. Alright, maybe let's see if it comes right off after I broke it. Yeah, I like that. Use the wrench to break them and then unscrew them by hand. Okay, we have a slight problem.
What?
We need an actual, I need a wrench, not the socket.
Eventually.
So pretty much you just have to start in the middle and pull and just lift right here first. Yeah, you just gotta be aggressive with it and start yanking. Yeah, just like that. This is how you
Destroy something?
No, this is how you keep it mint.
It bit me.
Uh-huh. There you go. First part done. If you do it the way Christina did it, it'll go right back in just as it came out. Well, look at that.
I'm good like that, right?
That looks better already.
It needs a dash pad.
That's right.
Oh my God, how am I even gonna... Oh, there's the original color.
There you go.
We wanted to know what it
Pure
was.
white.
This is just... Okay, hold on.
So all the people that we watched on videos, it didn't do like this.
I'm sorry.
Christina's got a different method. So let's try it and finish.
Well, it's stuck. Like...
How about this corner? Let's get this corner out.
Ow. It...
Wow.
I'm trying.
I think the dash was a little rotten.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Now you cooking with Crisco.
Hold up.
Swole up.
I'm trying not to mess up the...
Oh, you won't mess nothing up.
Okay, then this is gonna be broken right here, cause this is just... Are you sure? Cause I think I'm stuck.
That looks good.
Oh wait, that's what's messing up. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Okay. Do we have something that might cut something?
I think you're doing just fine. Just keep on with it.
Alright. Let's see what I'm doing. Okay.
Yep. Everybody taking notes?
Got a bolt right there.
Mm-hmm.
Need a screwdriver or something?
Hold on. I know what I need.
There you go.
Why are you laughing at me? Maybe I should just leave
Are you holding your mouth right?
No, I'm not, obviously.
What about start at your other corner and work your way back?
Yep,
Yeah,
that's
there
what
you
I'm
go.
about to do. I was trying to avoid this pristine speaker.
51-year-old speaker.
Factory mesh cone.
You want me to come try to do that, or did you get the nut out?
Yes,
You sure?
yes.
Okay. Like I said, Ford didn't want it going nowhere.
Okay. This part.
There's still a nut in that one.
No! Oh.
Guaranteed.
I told you. I told you. All right, viewers, make sure you pull all the nuts off the box.
I thought I found
Otherwise,
them. I thought I...
it'll look like this.
No.
All like this.
I thought I found them.
It's all her fault.
No, it's not.
Let's see how she looks. She's dirty, but she looks cool.
See, they did that. I didn't do that.
Oh, man. That's okay. We're going to fix all that. And then they have these little things that's metal. We got to clean them up. Spray them flat black. And
Oh,
then we
look,
screw
you
them
screw
down,
them down.
over the little defrost vents. So,
Oh,
like so.
sweet.
Cool. Alright, so we kind of wiped it down a little bit just to kind of get a better look. Looks pretty cool. So we have these factory holes here where the bolts, where everything, the pad bolts down. We're thinking about making a half pad, a pad that doesn't go all the way through. Just maybe like where it stops right here and goes all along there. That way you have a little bit more white showing. Get that repainted white. And just a pad covering, you know, the front part. I think that'll look kind of cool. Make something out of that. Let me know in the comments what you think. So another thing we did today, we went ahead and replaced all these little acorn nuts and bolts. We still have to cut these old rusted screws out of here and get some stainless ones in. I don't know why, but none of these were stainless. I don't know if that's factory or not. We got to replace these as well. They're all rusted out. Main reason I wanted to switch it out is I couldn't adjust my mirror because the bolts were frozen, and I had to break them loose and put some new ones. So now they stay where they're supposed to.